Harley Davidson Dynamite Glide converted to a four-wheeler. It's got a Champion gear-driven reverse, straight pipes, no mufflers, 28-inch ITP mud lights. It's got the original gas tank. It's got a Outlander 800 rear fender. It's got a custom paint job on the tank that says "From the Depths of New Orleans." This motorcycle came out of Hurricane Katrina in 2005. It's been totally rebuilt. It's all brand new. The front fender is a Honda 400 AT. The front end is a frame built back in the mid-80s by High Performance ATV. It's got custom shocks built specifically for this four-wheeler. Uses Volkswagen Beetle tie rods and ball joints. Heavy duty. Works performance shocks. It's $1,000 to have those shocks made. Up under the front we also have an auxiliary oil cooler. Help it cool down. The fenders keep a little air off of it. The Harley shop advised me to put an electric fan also on the motor. Used mostly on funeral police Harleys. Keep them cool while they're idling. In the rear of this machine uses a 1985 Honda 250R rear end. Comes stock with a 44 tooth sprocket. It now carries a 71 tooth sprocket. It's got disc brakes front and rear. It uses a Suzuki Hayabusa rear shock. Taking the belt drive off, putting the chain off. Let's fire it up, see if it runs.